reality unplugged. I don't know if any of my friends in Florida have stepped outside today. I know farther up north they're getting a lot of snow, but down here in Florida, it's quite windy outside. And I was sitting in my house looking outside thinking, man, seems like every time it gets nice and windy, I never have a kite handy. All right, so I'm gonna show you a really easy, really quick way to make your own homemade kite so you can go out and have a little bit of fun on this windy day, all right? All right, we're gonna start with this nice, simple blue piece of construction paper. If you know, you know. Sound off. Now we're gonna take the piece of construction paper, real simple, fold it in half. I cannot remember if this is sandwich style or burrito style. I'm sure my upper room Church of God kids will know the difference between sandwich style and burrito style. I'm not sure which one this is. Now from this fold, you're gonna take your corner here and bring it down to the crease, just where it's kind of touching. Okay. This is where it gets a little weird because I'm gonna need two hands. Hold on now. And you're gonna take your other corner there, do the same thing on the other side, right? You only end up having something that looks about like that, okay? Now, next step's real simple. Take a little piece of Scotch tape, okay? And right here, where these corners have come down to this crease, take your Scotch tape, just like that on the one side. Don't tape the other side yet. For our kite string, we're just gonna use regular light thread. I made one earlier with a fishing pole and fishing line, and while it was fun in a redneck kind of way, the fishing line was just about too heavy to really let it work well. So we're gonna go with the thread here. All right, run that thread underneath that piece of tape there. You get a real clear picture here. All right, and then we're gonna fold that piece of tape over the thread and tape it all together like that, okay? Then for a little extra security, I'm gonna take that piece of thread and just tie us a couple knots to hold it in place. Okay. Once. Do it twice, and boom. Homemade kite. Let's go try it out. All right, I was almost worried there for a while that it was gonna die down before I got to come out here and show it. But, as you can kind of see there, we've got a nice good wind going across the backyard here. Let's launch. A little bit of a floppy start. Try to get enough thread out here to catch a wind, and there she goes. Look at that. Homemade construction paper kite. Ah! It is ridiculous how much fun this is. So this was the original test incarnation. Thought about having a kite that you could reel in, put a hook to it. So let's see if we can't straighten it out and make it do something. Kind of got folded up when I went in to make the other ones. It's a little windier out. I might not have to worry about the heavier. All right. So we have lift. Now we're gonna try to give it some slack. I think we might just be too heavy for this one to make it. Yeah, I'd call that one a failed experiment. So I'll let somebody else fly my other one as we were experimenting, and it did not take long to get stuck. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. If you haven't given me a like and subscribe, go ahead and mash those buttons for me. Leave me a comment, start a conversation. This is the way.